Planes can stay in the sky because of the way their wings are designed. The shape of the wing creates an area of higher pressure underneath and lower pressure above, generating lift. Thrust is provided by the engines, moving the plane forward. Drag, the resistance to motion, is countered by the engines pushing through the air. Weight, the force of gravity pulling the plane down, is balanced by lift. All these forces work together to keep the airplane in the air and allow it to travel efficiently through the atmosphere.